Hi first graders, today we are going to be getting into Chapter 3, Lesson 4. Here's what you're going to need to complete today's lesson. You're going to need your GoMath book, as always. You're also going to need a pencil. And last, you're also going to need your cubes. Once you have these items, then we can get started on Lesson 4. Here is our I can statement for today's lesson. It says, I can use doubles to create equivalent but easier sums. Let's turn to page 109. It says, listen and draw. Draw to show the problem. Write the number of fish. We are going to listen to the following problem. There are 3 orange fish, 3 red fish, and 1 white fish in the class fish tank. How many fish are in the fish tank? This time, as I read the problem out loud, we are going to draw what we hear. We are going to be drawing the fish that we hear in the story. So, listen again. There were 3 orange fish, 3 red fish, and 1 white fish in the fish tank. How many fish are in the fish tank? Once you finish your drawing, we're going to take a look at what we drew. Which 2 groups of fish in your picture show the same number? Take a look. The 2 groups of fish in the picture that show the same number are our orange fish and our red fish. What number does the group of orange fish show? 3. What number does the group of red fish show? Also 3. And what is 3 plus 3? That's a doubles fact. 3 plus 3 equals 6. And other than the groups of 3 fish, how many more fish are in the tank also? We still see 1 more. So now, what's 6 and 1 more? 6 and 1 more is 7. Let's write our answer here on the line. There are 7 fish. Let's turn to page 110 in our math books. At the top of page 110, it says model and draw. The question inside the purple box says, how can a doubles fact help you solve 6 plus 7? Well, first, we are going to build cube trains that show 6 and 7. To show 6 plus 7, we're first going to need a cube train that shows 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then we're going to need another cube train that shows 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Make sure that your cube trains look like this. Even if they're different colors, that's okay. We are going to answer that question on our page, which says, how can a doubles fact help you solve 6 plus 7? Well, we are going to break apart the 7. 7 is the same as 6 plus 1. Notice we have 6 plus 1 now. Now you'll also notice we have a doubles fact. What is our doubles fact now? our doubles fact is 6 plus 6. So we are going to solve that fact here. What is 6 plus 6? 6 plus 6 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Now let's think. What is 1 more than 12? 1 more than 12 is 13. All right, now it's time to put it all together by writing it down on our page. When we broke apart the 7, we now saw that we had a doubles fact, 6 and 6, and 1 more. So our addition sentence will say 6 plus 6. 6 plus 6. We also saw that we still had 1 more. So 6 plus 6 plus 1. When we solved our doubles fact, 6 plus 6, we saw that we got 12. So 6 plus 6 plus 1 equals 12 plus 1 more. And we also figured out 12 and 1 more equals 13. So that means 6 plus 7 equals 13. Let's take a look at the bottom half of our page. It says, share and show. Use cubes to model. Make doubles. Add. Number 1 shows us a model that we are going to build. The model says 9 plus 8. Let's use our cubes to build 2 towers or cube drains that show 9 plus 8. First, you'll need a cube drain that shows 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then you're going to need a cube drain that shows you 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now that we have both of our cube drains, then we can take a look at our page. On the page, our addition sentence says 1 plus another number plus another number. So since 9 is breaking apart into 1 and another number, we have to show that on our model. We have to break apart 9, just like it says on the page, into 1 and 8. Notice this shows 1 plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now that we've broken up 9 into 1 and 8, we can write that down. Those are the first 2 add-ins in our addition sentence. 9 is broken up into 1 and 8. Next, we're going to take a look at the rest of our addition sentence by looking at our model. Our model shows us that we have 1 plus 8 plus 8. That is our final add-in, 8. Now our addition sentence says 1 plus 8 plus 8. Next, we are going to solve our doubles fact. Our doubles fact is 8 plus 8. Remember, a doubles fact is when a doubles fact is a fact that has 2 of the same add-ins or 2 of the same numbers. 8 and 8 are the same number, so 8 and 8 are a doubles fact. 8 plus 8 equals, count your cubes, 8 plus 8 equals 16. Now we just need to continue writing the rest of our addition sentence. Our addend is still 1 as our first addend in our addition sentence. Now it says 1 plus 16 equals a sum. Now our addition sentence is easier. We just have to figure out 1 more than 16. Think about that one. What's 1 more than 16? 1 more than 16 is 17. So 9 plus 8 is 17. Notice that that was our original addition sentence, 9 plus 8. We used doubles fact to solve it in an easier way by figuring out 8 plus 8 is 16, plus 1 more is 17, so 9 plus 8 equals 17. I want you to try number 2 all on your own. When you're finished with number 2, check back in and you can see how you did. Now it's time to look at number 2. Number 2 says 5 plus 6. So you should have used your cubes to show 5 in one cube train and 6 in another cube train. Then you'll notice that it's asking you to break apart 6. So let's break apart 6 by using 5 plus 1. Now we can fill in our addends. 5 plus 1. So this is what you should have on your paper already. Then you would have seen that there is still the other tower, or the addend, 5. Now we have a doubles fact. 5 plus 5. 5 plus 5 equals 10. 10 plus 1 more equals 11. This should be an equal sign. It looks like there's a mistake on here. You can go ahead and fix that with me. Equals 10 plus 1 equals 11. So that means 5 plus 6 equals 11. All right, let's turn to our last page, which is page 111. At the top it says, on your own. For numbers 3 and 4, you're going to continue that same routine we've been doing, using your cubes, make doubles, and then add. Number 5 is a word problem. It says, Mandy has the same number of red and yellow leaves. Then she finds one more yellow leaf. There are 17 leaves in all. How many leaves are red? How many leaves are yellow? And this is where you're going to fill in your answers for number 5. Numbers 6 and 7 are a little bit different. You are going to use your words to explain. The questions say, would you use count on or doubles to solve? Why? So you're going to take a look at numbers 6 and 7 and think to yourself, would I use counting on, which means that you start with a bigger number and you keep counting on? Or would you use doubles? And remember, doubles means that you're going to break apart one of the numbers into 1 plus another number and then create a doubles fact with the other added. So for numbers 6 and 7, you're either going to write count on or doubles. Fabulous job today, first graders. I can't wait to see how you did on this page. Remember to take a picture of page 111 and put it here on a Seesaw. Until next time, first graders, I will see you all later. Bye.